The S5 Sportback, or the A5 for those who don't need the power, really seems like the best of all worlds. It looks much more aggressive and exciting than the Formula 4/S4 sedan, but isn't as compromised on practicality as the A5/S5 coupe. In fact, it's probably more practical than the sedan, since the hatchback provides a massive opening for awkwardly shaped items. It made it easy for me to haul a set of tires up to the office that I needed to put on my Miata. The S5 Sportback is seriously quick, too. The 354 horsepower and 369 pound-feet of torque, though not world-beating on paper, feel like a lot more from the driver's seat. The turbo hits hard and fast and provides good power to redline. The automatic transmission shifts smoothly and pretty quickly, if not as fast as dual-clutch units. The S5 is amazingly green and stable, too. You can keep adding power and speed in corners and it keeps hanging on. There isn't much body roll, and the ride is comfortable even in the sporty dynamic setting. The steering is a bit of a disappointment, though. It's really well weighted, but it's lacking in feedback and precision. Also, while the stability is nice, it doesn't feel as engaging as rear-drive and rear-biased sports sedans like the Jaguars and Kia Stinger.